What are we cooking today, Joyce?
I'm making a portobello mushroom. If people are vegetarian, instead of eating steak, they can eat this.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And I'm going to throw it in here. Oil this a little bit. Instead of putting regular oil, I'm going to put truffle oil.
Why not?
It's not hot yet, don't worry. I wash it. I put it on a paper towel to make sure the water come out. Okay, I'm going to cover it. I'm going to turn it to get the film out. You can put it on an outdoor grill or put it on a saute pan to cook it if you don't have an electric grill. I have it high because, yeah, but you can smell it pretty good, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to turn this off. It's become so small.
It shrunk?
Yeah, right? Okay, this is supposed to be vegetarian. Colvin said, well, I'm not a vegetarian. But this is good too. I'm going to put some truffle oil on top of it.
Okay.
Truffle oil. That's it. Picture time.